Hey everyone. Today I want to talk about fashion advice for the new generation, the kind of advice I wish someone had told me when I was younger. When I was a kid, I was never really following trends. I always dressed in my own way. I didn't care what other girls were wearing. I just wore what felt good to me. At the time, I didn't realize how valuable that actually was. Now that I've been in the fashion industry and seen how things work, I understand it even more. A lot of young girls today feel pressure to wear whatever is trending on TikTok or Instagram. But the truth is, the girls who develop real style early are usually the ones who aren't scared to do their own thing. One of the best things you can do is start paying attention to what actually feels like you instead of what everyone else is wearing. Trends will always come and go, but your personal style can grow with you if you let it. In this video, I'm going to share the real advice I wish I had when I was starting out. Things about building your wardrobe, understanding your body, and developing confidence in how you dress. Not the typical buy this, wear that advice, but the deeper stuff that actually matters long term. Let's get into it.